Speedy Technical Master present top 5 best dog beds reviews. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Friends Forever Donut Cat Bed, faux fur dog beds for medium small dogs. Calming and anti-anxiety. 2 size available. Super supportive filling. Self-warming indoor round pillow. Find the product link on the video description. Number 2. K&H Pet Products Original Bolster Pet Cot Elevated Pet Bed Chocolate Fabric, waterproof, bacteria resistant, mold and mildew resistant, dog cot durable and tested for strength. Find the product link on the video description. Number 3. Pet Fusion Ultimate Dog Bed, Orthopedic Memory Foam, Medium Firmness Pillow, Waterproof Liner, YKK Zippers, CERT, Skin Contact Safe, 3-year warranty. Find the product link on the video description. Number 4. Amazon Basics Cooling Elevated Pet Bed, Breathable Mesh Fabric. Durable design, easy to clean, simple assembly, cooling comfort, 1-year limited warranty. Find the product link on the video description. Number 5. Bagel Pet Dog Bed by Majestic Pet Products. Made in the USA with imported materials, premium materials, machine washable, waterproof denier base, warm wash, tumble dry on low heat. Find the product link on video description.